certificate of return officially presented to the Benue State Governor-elect.
We appreciate your contribution in our lives. Once again, thank you so much for this huge trust you have given us. We're looking forward to work collaboratively with all different groups and different parties in the state. Looking forward to take our state to higher heights.
32 members elect of the various state constituencies equally received theirs.
We have witnessed a government that has grossly underperformed. So our dream as an assembly, given the fact that we have always, even as members elect, met, will be to ensure that Benue bounces back to its past glory. By this I mean legislations and deliberate effort will be made by our arm of government to ensure an economic boost in Benue.
As far as I am concerned, now elections are over. We are thinking about the interests of the people of Benue. We will concentrate on making laws that will, enhance the protection of lives and property of the people of Benue State, and to see how we can pull democracy dividend to the people of Benue. So it's not going to be a house where we fight each other when we know that the people of Benue will benefit on a particular interest. We'll stand by it. But anything that will come, against the people of Benue, we will resist it.
The All Progressives Congress has 21 members elect. The People's Democratic Party has 10, while Labour Party has 1.